What's going on, guys? Coming back at you with another video. Today we're going to be doing an install on some fog lights on the 2000 Civic. So we have the fog lights in here. So it's just going to be like a little cheap eBay one. So it's going to be that color with the red, you know, stand out a little bit. But so it's going to be looking like that. And then we have the housing right here with the lamp. And then the lamp or the bulb that came with it, it is a halogen, but I didn't like that, so I'm going ahead and just upgrade it to some LEDs. I found these on Amazon for like 25 bucks. It's gonna be like right there, Amazon. I don't know if you guys can see the barcode. Maybe search it up with the QR code. The QR code, yep. Or 3000 temperature. So it is gonna be a very bright yellow, and that's what I really want for this car. So right now I have like the blue on top and then the yellow at the bottom, so that's the combo I really want. And I am going to be ordering some new headlights too, because these are caca, so I don't like these. You can feel the oxidize on top. It's nasty. But yeah, that's what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be doing the install on that, and right now I'm just going to be taking off the bumper, and there's going to be a screw right here. It's going to be a Phillips. I don't know if you guys can see it. Should be a Phillips screw down there. And then since it doesn't have any like a splash shield underneath, I'm just gonna, that's the only thing that's holding it in. There's a screw right here, all these clips, and then another screw over here too. So but yeah, that's how you take off the front bumper. Figuring out the wiring. So what I got going is the connector. So the first fog light, that's gonna be my right fog light, and that's gonna be my left fog light. And then the way you want to do it is there's gonna be a little wiring. This end is gonna be going into your cabin. There's also an extension that they sent me with that. Focus, that guy right there. It's gonna go inside the cabin, so it's gonna probably gonna be running it underneath the tire and then going it in. But right now I'm just gonna be taking off the panel of the car underneath the carrier, so we could put the switch right here. So there's gonna be a screw right here, screw down here, and another screw right over there. And they're all gonna be Phillips. So I'm gonna do that real quick. All right, so I got all the 3 screws out. And this should just pop down. Let's see. Just my quarters. So you want to pull from the bottom, and then the clip should just come out. And then there's gonna be some connectors. Let's just take it off. So I just found a hole for the inside cabin. There's gonna be a hole right underneath there. There's gonna be a hole like literally right there where you can shove the wire through. And then she's gonna be running along here. I'm probably gonna be tugging it in, probably just like that. So it's like not too noticeable because there's a red wire and it's like very noticeable. But yeah, and then the wire should be running right down there, so it could just be hidden a little bit. And yeah, right there. And then this is gonna be the cabin one, which is gonna be inside. So let's take this wire and connect it. All right, so the wiring harness just got complete. So the ground's right there. I tapped into the cruise control. So that's the harness I tapped into for the 12 volts. Constant. And then I have this guy, it's already all light up green, and then when you turn on the fog lights, it's gonna go red. So, and then just to make sure it works, I have one hooked up, which is what I got it all ready. So that color, it's gonna be kind of like a halogen yellow, but that's not the color I want. That's why I bought the LEDs down there. So yeah, I just ran the wire through here and then have it run all the way down here, going down, and then wires right there. And this guy right here, the relay and the fuse. Probably gonna have to, I'm probably just gonna mount it like right here or something. So it won't be in the way of the radiator to cool it down, you know? And then I have the power right there. So yeah, that's basically the wiring harness. I didn't connect it to the fuse box, so I know some Civics do connect to the fuse box, because I know on my 03 Civic that's how it connected to. But no, this one just connects to a 12-volt constant and then to the battery, and then you should be good. So we did have the LED one, so what I'm gonna do is take off these screws in the back, and there's another one right over here. So there's a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws. You want to take that out, and then the whole cover should come up. Alright, so I went ahead and put on the bracket already. The way you want to do it is those two right there and those two over there. And that yellow thing, that LED looks really good in there. And then I just literally tighten it up with the Phillips. Yeah. So right now we're just gonna be cutting into the bumper. So the way you want to do this is literally just I'm gonna start cutting a little bit, because remember, you can always cut, you can never like you can't uncut it, you know. So right now I'm just gonna be cutting a little bit, like right here all the way over here to here. So see how much that gets me, but that's how much I'm gonna be cutting right now, and I'm pretty sure that's not a lot either comparing this guy. So if you want to like line it up, it's gonna be like all the way up to here. So yeah, so I'm only gonna be cutting up a little bit. So I'm gonna start right here and see if it does fit. If it does fit, I'm gonna do the other side as well. So this is gonna be the final product. We got the 4 screws all the way in, and this is how much I literally just drill or cut out just enough. So we're just still touching it, and a little clip inside, and then just flip it over. And this is how it looks. I still kept the little corner piece over here. I don't know if I'm gonna be taking it out, but just for now, just cut like a little circle around it so the thing can fit the screw. But yeah, other than that, it's looking real nice, you know, the gray and the red. But yeah, now onto the other side. Pretty bright, given that it's literally sunny outside, and like you could still see them throughout the day, which is pretty nice. It's like if I turn on my headlights, you can't even see my headlights. Well, kind of, but yeah, the fog lights stick out more than the headlights, which is pretty insane. But yeah,
All right, so this will conclude this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it or learned something, but yeah, catch you guys next time.